Do you know that you can get two different incomes from only one investment? Today, I'm going to explain you how. I have an amazing opportunity to share with you. Are you ready? Let's go for it. This opportunity is in the heart of downtown Miami in a project called Okan Tower. Okay, it's in the heart, in the middle of everything. As you can see, it's close to the Casella Center, the Bayside Marketplace, the Bayfront Park Amphitheater, only a block from the Brightline Miami Central Station, the new shopping mall, open air called Miami World Center, the Philip and Patricia Frost Museum of Art, the Perez Art Museum, the new design bridge that it's going to be called the Signature Bridge, and of course the Adrienne Arts Center where the opera is at. As you can see, the location means everything because we are in the middle of the four sources of income that comes to Miami. Okay. And that is the Miami International Airport, only 15 minutes away, the financial district, only 5 minutes away. That is Brickell, the Port of Miami, where all the cruises are coming in, amazing opportunities to catch all those tourists, only 15 minutes away. And the beaches, of course, everybody wants to come to the beach in Miami, 15 minutes away. Okay, so here's the Brightline that I mentioned about. We are in all the stations that we have right now. You can go from downtown Miami to West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, even Orlando, and eventually you're going to be able to get up until Tampa. Okay, this is a little bit more about the location. Of course, less than a half away from Brickell City Center, Design District less than 2 miles away, and Wingwood, the Bohemian neighborhood of Miami, it's only a mile and a half away. These are some of the important companies that moved to Miami during the pandemic. And these are very important aspect because this is where you get a different niche, not only the touristy niche, but the corporate niche, because all this company are bringing the employees and high executives and CEOs, and all those people need a place to live. Okay, so that is where Okan Tower gets into the corporate niche as well. We are going to, as you can see in this video, you can see the evolution of downtown Miami. All this is pretty much securing our investment, are letting us know that this is where the investment it's going to be secure because the potential of this area, which is one of the most important aspects of investing in downtown Miami at the moment. All these new things are coming, like the Biscayne Green, the renovation of Flagler, the Miami World Center, of course, like I mentioned before, the Brightline Station, and tons of new opportunities like Michelin stars, restaurants, and new entertainment like the art, the fashion week, and the art basel. All that is hosted in our neighborhood. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the opportunity per se, and it's at Okan Tower, where it's a monument that all is possible when imagination and opportunity comes together. Okay, these are words from Bekir Okan, which is our developer. Okay, the developer is from Turkey, and this is the first massive project that they're doing in the US. What I want to share now, it's all the three different components that we have in the tower. We're going to have a Hilton Miami Bayfront Hotel and amenities from floor 13 to 30th. Hotel residencies by Hilton from the 36 to 50. Okay, as you can see here, and that's where the opportunity that I'm going to share with you very soon lies at, in the condo hotel component or hotel residencies component. That is going to be managed by Hilton, so you don't have to worry about anything, like who's going to manage your unit, who's going to be renting it. You're not going to have to worry about that because this is not an Airbnb. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, okay? Managed by Hilton, which is an international global brand with decades of experience, and they really know what they're doing, okay? They're investing millions of dollars a year in marketing. So just to make sure that your unit, it's going to be sold, it's going to be rented, and you're going to have a great occupancy rate. At the moment, the occupancy rate in Miami, it's 89%. That is an insane number because no other city in the country, and I would say the world, has that high of occupancy rate. Okay. The other component will be the luxury sky residencies. And we're not going to mention that. We're not going to talk about that in this video. But that is another opportunity that you can consider. It's from the floor 51 to 68. And those units don't come fully furnished. The one and the condo hotel component do come fully furnished and fully equipped. Okay, so you don't have to worry about even the towels and the sheets come included. All right. And the most beautiful thing about this project is that in the 70th floor, there's going to be an amazing rooftop pool and observatory deck. Okay, and I'm going to show you pictures about it. Now we're going to talk about the opportunity per se. And this is in the hotel residencies component, okay, managed by Hilton. It's going to be the only 5-star resort hotel in downtown Miami. And this is going to be the lobby located on the 29th floor. We're going to have a beautiful lobby bar and lounge also located on the 29th floor. And you can see the signature bridge from there. On the 27th floor, we're going to have a beautiful pool and lounge accessible for guests of the hotel and also the hotel residencies. Okay. And on the 27th floor, we're going to have the hotel fitness center with the high top of the line equipment like Pelotons and this amazing AI assisted personal trainers. All right. We're also going to have a beautiful wellness spa located on the 28th floor. And within the spa, we're going to have the Turkish hamam, which is part of the Turkish culture. So that is a very important and unique aspect of this project. All right. And this is how pretty much the hotel residencies are going to look, located on levels 36 to 50. Just so you know, around the area, the tallest towers are between 40 and 50th floors only. So that means we are not going to have views obstructions, okay, since our tower goes up to 70th floor. Okay, as you can see in this picture, in this rendering, the units come fully furnished, fully equipped, even washer and dryers, and everything is going to be taken care of by Hilton Hotel. Okay, once you acquire a unit at Okan Tower, you immediately access the Gold Elite status, which is going to give you tons of perks like digital check-in, complimentary Wi-Fi, complimentary breakfast, and a lot of other perks that you can not only use here, but anywhere, any other Hilton in the world. So that is very important to keep in mind. Of course, it comes also with all the Hilton Hotel and Resorts amenities like meeting spaces, business center, pet services, online laundry, on-site laundry and dry cleaning, professional housekeeping services that are going to take care of your unit, and you don't have to worry about any of that. Okay. Hilton is in 126 countries in the world, so that will give you a little bit of a magnitude of this brand and also will give you a lot of trust. Okay, and here is the opportunity that I wanted to present to you. Okay, we have only 2 units left at the moment, like this one that you see in the floor plan. There are 2 bedrooms, 2 baths that you can actually split. That you see this line right here that I'm showing you. So this wall, you can block this door in the middle, and then it will transform into different units. A studio with a bathroom, a bath, and a closet in its own balcony, all right? And a beautiful master bedroom, a 1-bedroom master suite with a full kitchen, living and dining, a foyer, and a beautiful balcony as well. So that's where this comes, the opportunity. Hilton is going to rent this unit at 2 different units, and that will give you the 2 different incomes that I'm mentioning about. Okay. The HOA, the maintenance of this is only 91 cents per square foot, which is very, very low if you do your research and compare to any other projects in Miami, you won't find anything that low at the moment in the market. So that is an amazing opportunity as well. And like I mentioned, we only have 2 units left. So let me know if you're interested. I would love to hear your feedback, and you can reach out to my information down here, and we can talk about it, and we can review numbers, and we can see if this is a good opportunity for you. Okay, let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you would like to know about Okan Tower. But right now, this is the opportunity that I wanted to present to you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.